Hello! How are you? Welcome to BrainTune YouTube channel. I am your friend, the TechTune. So, let's get started.
Hello, friends, welcome to the BrainTune channel. Today, we will see the part 6 of the competitive programming tutorials. In this video, we will discuss how to shorten our code in C++. Shortcode is ideal in competitive programming because programs should be written as fast as possible. Because of this, competitive programmers often define shorter names for data types and other parts of the code. We here discuss the method of code shortening in C++. Specifically, shortening the code can help a programmer save time in competitions. It makes a complex code easy to understand and more readable. There are various ways to shorten the code. At first, we have the typedef command. The command typedef can be used to give a short name to a data type. We can give a short name to data type that has a very long name. For example, the name of the data type long is very long. So, we can define a short name, L, to it, as shown in our code. So, we have our header file in the code. And then, our int main function. So, in line number 11, we define a short name to the data type long as double L. So, after this, we can use double L instead of long in our whole code. So, the line 14 and 15 of the code defines two long variables, a and b, and the line 16 prints their product. These lines can be written in short, as shown in line 19. So, we can use double L instead of long for defining a and b, as shown in line 19 and 20. So, when we print the product, it gives the right result and gives the right product in the output without any error. This shows that typedef statement can be successfully used to shorten the code for a data type that has a very long name. So, it gives right output. This can help us to make the program more readable and can help us save time. The command typedef can also be used with more complex types. For example, the shown code in line 24 gives the name vi for a vector of integers, and the code in line 25 gives name pi for a pair that contains two integers. So, we defined vi for a big name, a vector, and name pi for a big name, a pair of integers. This can help us a lot. second way to shorten our code is by defining macros. A macro specifies that certain strings in the code will be changed before the compile time. So, we will give a short name to a certain big data types, etc., and that short names will be used in our code. In C++, macros are defined using the #define keyword. For example, we can define shown macros in line 33 to 36. We defined F for first, S for second, P, B for pushback, and M, P for make pair. Thus, we can use these short letters instead of the big names. Hence, the code has been shortened. After this, code shown in line 39 to 41 can be easily shortened. In this code, we try to insert two pair of integers into the vector. And then, we add the first element of the pair to the second element of that pair. That is, we do y1 plus x1, and then y2 plus x2. So, we can shorten this process, as shown in line 43 to 45. We use the definitions made in line 33 to line 36, and shorten our code present in line 43 to 45. So, we used F for first, S for second, M, P for make pair, P, B for pushback, and so on, as shown. This code will work absolutely fine. A macro can also have parameters, which makes it possible to shorten the loops and other structures. For example, we can define the shown macro in line 49. Thus, we define a for loop in shortened way as R, E, P. After this, our loop of line 51 to 54 can be easily shortened. The shortened code has been shown in line 56. Thus, we implement the same loop with a shorter version by using macro and defining the shorter version R, E, P for a big loop, as shown in line 49. The shorter version of the loop will absolutely work fine. Thus, we can short our many codes like this. And we can define this macros and typedef statements at the starting of the code. And this can help the long programs to be typed fast and be more readable. We have shown the few examples that illustrate these facts today. I hope you must have understood the topic clearly. If you like our content, then please subscribe to our channel, The Brain Tune, for the upcoming videos. Do like it and share it with your friends. Thank you.
Friends, please hit the subscribe button for more upcoming videos. And to share it with your friends. Goodbye from your friend TechToon.